Hello everyone, today we are outside to make nature frame. This is great way to explore nature and get creative. So this is what you will need: a cardboard frame, and I already put a tape. One side is sticky and the other side is not, and we need some scissors to cut frame as well, and we need some marker to write your name, and the clear tape, and some leaves, flowers and twigs, or anything you find interesting. And now what's the goal? The goal is to explore learning by feeling different textures of leaves. Like you can see, it's a smooth surface, and this one is looks like harder, a pine cone we can feel and touch, and the flowers. And now we can start making our own way of doing the frame. And we can put some stems as well. We can do small pieces as well. And I can put, and also I'm going to put some pine cones on the side as well, some flowers, and this is well over here, and some leaves. And some facts about nature are like some flowers close at night. It's like they are going to sleep just like us. Leaves make food for the plants. They came in many shapes and colors and even change their color in fall. And we can put some more flowers like this as well. And this is how I made my own nature frame, and I can write my name as well on the side as well over here. Thanks for watching, and you can decorate your frame of your choice.